Today we will learn how to use every, all and each in English. Because if you want to learn or speak English, you have to know these. I know every officer in this police station. I know every officer in this police station. Every new building of this city is pink. Every new building of this city is pink. I have read every book of Rabindranath Tagore. I have read every book of Rabindranath Tagore. I drink a glass of milk every morning. I drink a glass of milk every morning. It rains at every morning. It rains at every morning. I enjoyed every minute of the party. I enjoyed every minute of the party. I enjoyed every minute of the film. I enjoyed every minute of the film. We wish you every success in the future. We wish you every success in the future. I would like to wish you every success in your new job. I would like to wish you every success in your new job. She had every reason to distrust him. He had every reason to be upset. He had every reason to be upset. The doctor examined every inch of his body. The doctor examined every inch of his body. Every bird likes its own nest. Every bird likes its own nest. Every tree is known by its own fruit. Every tree is known by its own fruit. She cries every day. She cries every day. I run every day. I run every day. Search every room. Search every room. Every seat was full. Every seat was full. I do that every week. I do that every week. All. All people are equal. All people are equal. All of us were silent. All of us were silent. Are they all the same? Are they all the same? He ate all the honey in the bottle. He ate all the honey in the bottle. All the news is not true. All the news is not true. The museum is open all year round. The museum is open all year round. He swims in the sea all year round. He swims in the sea all year round. We know each other. We know each other. Do you know each other? Do you know each other? We love each other. We love each other. They hate each other. They hate each other. Do they love each other? Do they love each other? I know each one of you. I know each one of you. Drill a hole in each corner. Drill a hole in each corner. Each man has his limitations. Each man has his limitations. She had a bottle in each hand. She had a bottle in each hand. Give an apple to each child. Give an apple to each child. Try to learn and practice such sentences every day. Because if you don't practice, you can't speak or learn English. You will need to practice every day for speaking English fluently. Practice is the key to success. If you like the video, please comment. And if you can, share. Stay well and stay with me to learn English.